What you do? Are you eating toast? Yeah. Eating toast? Do your wave dance. Do your dance. Shake your booty. Kick your legs up. Who's your best friend? Mama! Shake it. Jump. Jump. You can sit down in it. Here it comes. It's going to get you. You going to sit? Here's your bread. Oh, Eli's been eating toast. I just threw it at him. Butter toast. You think a bird will eat it? A what will eat it? Say hi.
Hi, Mango.
Mango.